Hello dear Atlassian community. Meet Lara. Lara works in HR and maintains and updates the company's Confluence space with important HR policies, guidelines and announcements. She's passionate about ensuring employees have access to the information they need, but sometimes she worries that not all the content she creates is being seen. Today we will show you how Lara can use Viewtracker and Atlassian Intelligence to optimize her HR content and ensure it's reaching everyone. First, Lara needs to identify which HR pages aren't getting the attention they deserve. She visits the Viewtracker global report and navigates to the content report section. She sets a filter for less than 10 views to highlight the HR documents and announcements many employees haven't seen. She now has a list of HR pages with low views. These are the ones she'll focus on optimizing. Lara has identified a piece of content that hasn't gotten the attention she was hoping for. The page Group Home Office is about mental health when doing home office work, and it's important to her that the information on the page reaches everyone. To increase the page's readability, Lara decides to use Atlassian Intelligence to create a quick summary at the top of the page. She also identified a section that could benefit from restructuring and asks Atlassian Intelligence to categorize the items of a list and display them in a table format. Lara now successfully used Viewtracker and Atlassian Intelligence to identify and optimize a Confluence page. Thanks very much for watching.